If you're wondering, is Good eReader the first to get this device? We are, actually. This is the X3 Smart by iReader. And what is impressive about this is not the unit itself. You've seen smarts before. This has Carta 1300. We went to the trade show at CTEC, Tokyo, Japan, and went to the EINK booth. We asked 6 people, including the people we had meetings with, about Carta 1300. None of them even knew what it was. We're not even joking. This is the latest unit from iReader, number 1, and it also is the latest screen technology, and it is above Carta 1200, above Carta 1250. We'll get into what makes it different in a second. I don't know what pen is in here. I honestly don't. Let's see what it is. This is the... Oh, look at that. It's black. It's not white or silver. Oh my gosh, this might be a new pen. This doesn't look like the X Pen 3 SE, and it looks like it does have an eraser at the back. We have very little information on this. This just came out, no jokes. You have a USB cable inside, some regulatory information, some VIP access to the store, and a USB cable. That's it. Okay, let's get right into it here. We're not going to be doing a review right now. We are going to be cracking it open, of course. And look, guys, it has a case with it too. This has a case that is stuck to it, or can I slide this out perhaps? Let's jigger this a second. Okay, it was not glued to the surface, it was just really tight. This is an iReader origami case, never before seen. You can go like that, you can go like that. Now let's look at the reader itself. Yes, it's got little dimple cutouts for the buttons right there as well. Does this come off via magnets? It does. I love that. It's very classy. A lot of manufacturers use that sticky pad or the silicone graspers. No way. This is the way to go. It actually says right here, designed by iReader, right here down by my thumb. This is really nice. Let me put the case off to the side for now because we don't need that right now. Is this a leather bound side? Oh, no, it isn't. Oh, but that's really nice though. This is light. We're going to weigh this in the review. Don't worry. This is really lightweight. Look at that. Boom. We have a matte bezel ledger with a kind of less matte, actually. You can see the difference right there. It's very interesting. It's not gloss, though, around the actual screen bezel. And we have nothing on this side. We have the stereo speakers down on this side with a microphone, a USB-C, and a contrasting power button. Let's power this on for the first time and show you guys what is all going on with this. And in the full review, we will give you the full specs on why this is different than 1200. But just to give you a little bit of preliminary information, Carta 1200 and Carta 1300 is a pretty significant jump. This has 2560 by 1920 pixels, 300 ppi of course, but it boasts 27% improvement in response and a 20% increase in contrast. So we are going to be doing some really close zoomed in shots of this compared to 12, and we'll see the difference in the full review. I'm not even joking, you do have Good eReader to thank for this. Our team has worked tirelessly with iReader to put English on all of their devices. We're not even tooting our own horn, we're actually serious. We have got them to put iReader English official UI on all of their devices, even the backdated ones. Already out of the box, this is looking, you know what this looks like just to me? I've never seen it till right now. This looks more real. You know what I mean? In that, just in the face value of the word, this looks more authentic and it looks more real. It looks so crisp and so clear, and I cannot wait to get into this. I cannot wait to look at this pen, but you know what we have to do? We got to run to the next door in our office because we all have to sit around a table. We got to look at this, we got to throw it around, toss it around the table, we got to figure it out, script it, get this going, do some B-roll, and come up with an awesome review for you guys. This is Carta 1300, people. The world has changed.